Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about how to view data in Pandas. So let us quickly create a data frame. So first I have created a variable called dates. So I have used pd.dateRange for the purpose. I have given start and end date, and I have created dates. So this is how it looks like. The data type is date time. Once I have done this, I created a data frame using numpy.random, and the index would be the dates which I have created, and my columns are A, B, C and D. So once I run this, I'll get my data frame which looks like this. So I have A, B, C and D as my columns and dates as my indexes, and these are the values which I have generated using numpy.random. So this is my data frame. Now let us see how we can view data on the data frame we have created just now. So in order to view the top most rows in our data frame, we can use the function df.head, and if I run this, I'll be able to see the top 5 rows in my data frame. Similarly, if I want to print the bottom rows of my data frame, I have to use function df.tail. We have a functionality of mentioning the number of rows we want in our data frame. For example, if I want to print the bottom 3 rows in my data frame, I can give a parameter 3 here, and if I run this, I'll be able to see the bottom 3 rows. Similarly, if I want to print the top 3 rows of my data frame, I can pass in the parameter 3, and if I run this, I'll be able to see the top 3 rows, right? Moving on, next come how to display the indexes and columns. So for indexes, we can use the command df.index, and to get the columns, we can use df.columns. So if I run this, I'll get my indexes and columns like this. So this is my index. I'll get a list of all the indexes I have in data frame. Similarly, I can get the list of columns as well, along with the data type. Right? Next comes is to view the static summary of my data. So if I want to see the summary, this basically the statistic summary of my data, I can use a command .describe. So df.describe will give me the statistic summary. Now if you can see here, I have my count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value on that particular particular column, and then I have my quartiles. This is my first quartile, second quartile and third quartile values, and the maximum values as well. Next comes is to view transpose of your data. So if you want to see the transpose of your data, you can simply go and use the command df.t. So as you can see here, it has built a transpose data. Now my indexes are actually my columns here, right? Last comes is to have a quick view on the concise summary of your data frame. So if you want to see how many values are present in your data frame, or how many null values are there, or the data types of your data frame columns, so you can use df.info. So this function will give you the summary of your data frame, basically the concise summary, right? So this is the basic knowledge on how to view the data in data frame. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.